Hi, everyone. I want to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving. I apologize that I didn't publish the week 10 module until this afternoon. I got a little bit confused, but the good news is that I had planned a very, very light week 10 for you. So I don't think a couple hours late is going to make a big difference. I did that intentionally because I want you to have some time to relax and to enjoy the Thanksgiving holiday and Native American Heritage Day on Friday, which is also Black Friday. Okay. Um, and I know that this year we're not gathering in big crowds like we normally do for Thanksgiving. It's one of the best holidays for inviting lots and lots of friends over. We'll do that next year, okay? But however you celebrate it, I hope that you have a really good dinner, and I hope that you get in touch with your gratitude, the things that you're thankful for in this life. I'm thankful for so many things, but I definitely am thankful for you guys. And I'm also thankful and very hopeful about the news about the COVID vaccines that's come out in the last few days. I'm thinking that, by the time they finish producing them and getting them to the frontline workers, that by summer for sure will, and maybe even earlier, but by summer quarter, people should be back in school. Okay, anyway, that's all good news, and I hope everybody has a great, restful week, and I'll be in touch with you. Okay, take care.